Hello, my name is Gilbert Brandt, and this video is how to rank your business on the Google 3-pack. This right here is the Google 3-pack on my screen. Wanted to show you this quick. This over here is a free keyword tool that you can use. Tells you what people are searching for and how much they're paying for cost per click. It's just an estimate. It's not the exact number. But according to this, there's a volume of a search of like 1,000 a month. Now we'll get back to the 3-pack here. You'll notice there's a green dot up there. The green dot up there, we're going to click on there and show you that. The green dot is when you hit more places. This is the green dot. This is an AdWords account. But I get your business in this top three in this Google 3-pack, and let me show you some of the work I've done. If you click here and you Google Internet Marketing Services Iowa, you'll see SEO to video. That's me. I don't even have well, Google gave me a website, but technically I don't have a website other than that. But I rank up for the whole state for internet marketing services. Now, let me click and give you another example. This is one of my old clients I did work for in like 2013, 2014. And you notice under radon mitigation, he ranks number one on the top of the Google 3-pack. When I worked for him, here's his website right here. When I worked for him, he had like 7 or 8 out of 10 on the front page. But like I said, that was back in 2013. I wanted to show you one other thing. When I first started working for him, Angie's List was number one at the top of the page. So I filled out an Angie's List thing, and within 10 minutes, he was on the front page, and there was only 2 other contractors. Now, let me give you one more example, and then I got another thing I want to show you. This is limousine service, RAF limousine service. Another guy that I worked for back in 2013, 2014. And he's got number one on the front page here on the Google 3-pack. And if you scroll down, he's like number 3. I'd ranked him on the front page. I ranked videos on the front page too. And at one time, he had 9 videos on the front page of YouTube, and now he's down to 1. One last thing, I wanted to cover a little more of things that I can do, but I still wanted to show you this giant list of marketing stats. This is an article that some blogger, I imagine, wrote about Google SEO ranking. And like here, great statistics, 75% of people never go past the first page. And they say 80% ignored paid search. I really doubt that because, I want to click back right here to show you that. This guy has, not this one, this guy has paid pay per click ever since he started. When I first met him, he was paying pay per click, and he was spending about every 50, 60 bucks, he'd get a limousine job, and that was when he wasn't on the front page. And he still has pay per click, but I bet you he gets most of his business from right here. His business literally doubled within the first 2 months. And he's got a pay per click ad. He's number one on the Google 3-pack, and he's number 3 on the front page of Google. I'll show you that statistic in a little bit. I'll go back to this list quick, because there's a couple more things I wanted to show you on this list that are pretty important. Organic search. This is another good one. Top 5 searches. 70% of the searches go to the top 5 places. The top 3 places get like 47 or 48%. You can go over these stats and see it. All you got to do is do the copy and paste that in, and it'll take you to the same article. But this is another one that's a really big stat. 50% of mobile users. Right now, over half of all usage is done off of a mobile phone. That statistic will always keep climbing. 28% of searches resulted in a purchase. This is mobile search, showing you how important mobile search is. Plus, you want to make sure you're uploaded your page speed. Social media is something else I do, and most businesses don't have much of a social media presence. That's why they don't rank on the front page. And these are all places that you definitely need to be on social media. There's about 13 to 16 places that every business should be on social media. It's a lot easier to do than a lot of people think. You have 5 hours a week to 10 hours a week to do your whole social media. I can teach any business how to do that. This is what I wanted to get to, is product videos. And in another video I'll make and give you some examples of what I've did on videos. I've ranked videos nationwide for all kinds of searches. But videos can increase your purchases by 144%. That's amazing. 50% look for videos for a product. 4 out of 5 believe the demo is helpful. Like I said, I've got things ranked all over. I can get your video. If I can't get your video on the front page of YouTube, I wouldn't charge you. That's how confident I can get your videos on the front page of YouTube. Now, using videos for social media, anytime you upload a video, when I upload a video, I send it to about 15 social media sites. I send it to 15 video sharing sites. And within an hour or two, my video is on the front page. This video will probably be on the front page within an hour after I make it, title it, and tag it. So video is really important. Well, that's pretty much all. You can call or send me a message or an email. And yeah, 150 video drives 150% organic traffic. Well, thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.